down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that good old subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Turn your bells on if you want to be notified. So today's video is just going to be on this beautiful hair that I did that's doing any kind of thing. Okay, I like the way the color came out and all of that good stuff. It's like a mixture of different colors. I mixed a lot of colors together and we just got it popping real quick. Like, I really like how flat it's laying and everything. I made this wig doing the glue gun method on the wig. It's a very affordable wig and the hair is very affordable as well. And also all the products that I did, because you know how we get down in 2019, okay? So, yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this beautiful rainbow inspired hair, then keep on watching. So as always, you need these mixing bowls, this little comb thing or whatever you want to use. I bought this closure off of Amazon. This here is Beauty Supply Store hair. You know how we get down. Okay. And these are several colors. I will list it on the screen and also in the description box along with everything that I'm using today. So this look, I pretty much was not going for like the rainbow look, but after, you know, it all got washed out, you know, and I dyed it and everything, this is pretty much like what I was like, okay, yeah, this is a rainbow, I guess. You know, I was just pretty much trying to use all of the hair dye that I've had over time from dyeing several other colors, wigs and stuff that I have. I was just pretty much trying to use the rest of this without throwing it away. So yeah, it just ended up turning into like a rainbow wig, and that's pretty much what it was. So you guys, I do have on one glove because the other glove that I had, it had a hole in it, but it pretty much didn't even matter. I should have just put it on. Make sure you have gloves or you will be having to get this hair dye off of your hands because it will stay on their seats, okay? The top part of the hair is pretty much more organized because like I put like half and half. Like I put pink on one side, pink on the other side, then I, you know, did the lavender and then the lavender on the other side. So it's more organized up there, but at the same time it's all going to come all together. And I will insert a couple of pictures and videos of the hair, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up in the midst of watching it if you're feeling it. And also comment your thoughts down below and all of that good stuff. And yeah, you can continue watching it.
So here, you guys, it's getting pretty messy, okay? This is where it's going to get messy and it's going to get interesting. But it's all going to come together, okay? And I mean, yours might be more, if you decide to do this, it might become more organized than mine. But I was just pretty much using the little hair dye that I had in the bottle as well. So yeah, it's this color going to be all over the place. But yeah, it's pretty much going to come all together, as you guys can see in the photos and all of that good stuff. So yeah, let's continue watching.
So you guys, this is how the hair came out. I hope you guys love it like I love it. It grew on me in a short period of time, because at first I was like, no sis. It really grew on me when I did my makeup. So yeah, you might have to do your makeup, sis, or whatever, if you try this out or whatever, and just get it popping. Okay, I did not film this makeup look, but if you guys are interested, I will film it again and do what I did, you know, for you guys. I will do this look if you guys want to see how I got this look and all the products and all that stuff. But this was mainly for this, showing you guys how I got this colorful hair and all of that stuff. I really like the way it came out. It came out really pretty, you guys. If you guys like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can join the squad. Also, comment any thoughts down below that you might have, any suggestions, video suggestions, any colors you might want me to do, hair tutorials, anything that you might like, you know what I'm saying, and I'm gonna get that on out for you guys. So yeah, that's about it. Make sure you follow me on all my social networks if you want to keep up with me and see my pictures with the whole outfit and the pictures and the hair and all of that different stuff. Yeah, just follow me on my social networks: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and I'll get back at you guys in the next one.